Today, I am going to walk you through an application called Employee Tracker. It's an application using MySQL to create database management system for employee and company information. First thing first, we need to go to terminal and enter node index.js, and then we can choose view all employees. A table showed up. And then we can also choose view all employees by role. And we can also choose by department. And we can also choose add employee to add an employee to the employee database. So we can choose like Smith data engineer. Okay. His manager's name. So John Smith is added to the employee table. We can also add role. For example, senior software engineer, salary, department. I think we can choose ID1, department ID, because it's under just mechanism management. So we can see there's a new role here. We can also add a new department. For example, like a marketing. So marketing is here. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for your watching.